The Bhagavad Gita is a 700 verse Hindu scripture that is the part of the epic Mahabharata. The Gita is set in a narrative framework of a dialogue between Pandava Prince Arjuna and his guide and charioteer Sri Krishna. In this video, I will tell you 20 amazing facts about Bhagavad Gita which maybe you don't know, so watch this video till the end of it. Number 1. The Bhagavad Gita is divided into 3 sections, each consisting of 6 chapters. The meaning of Gita is Song of God. Number 2. Gita is a conversation between Arjuna and Krishna at the battlefield of Kurukshetra. During the battle, when Arjuna was in a dilemma whether to fight his own relatives and was wondering as to what is right and what is wrong, he started asking questions to Krishna. Answers of Krishna to Arjun's questions formed Bhagavad Gita. Number 3. The narration of the Gita by Krishna was believed to be heard not only by Arjuna but also Hanuman, Sanjaya and Barbarik son of Ghatotkacha. Number 4. Out of the total 700, Sri Krishna told 574, Arjuna told 85, Dhritarashtra told 1 and Sanjaya told 40 slokas of Bhagavad Gita. Number 5. Gita was originally written in classical Sanskrit and till date it is translated into approximately 175 languages. Number 6. Charles Wilkins translated the Gita in English for the first time in 1785. Number 7. Bhagavad Gita teaches that the body is temporary and the soul is permanent. Lord Krishna in Gita defines the human body as a piece of cloth, just like worn out clothes are replaced by the new ones. The soul of a person acquires a new body. Number 8. Gita also teaches to control the anger. Lord Krishna says that anger can turn a person into a fool. It is one of the 3 main gates of hell. The other 2 are greed and lust. Number 9. Physicist Robert Oppenheimer credits the discovery of atom bomb to Bhagavad Gita. Number 10. Albert Einstein once said, I have made the Bhagavad Gita as the source of my inspiration and guide for the purpose of scientific investigation and formation of my theories. Number 11. According to Bhagavad Gita, soul can neither be created nor destroyed, is just transferred from one body to another, and according to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, only converted from one form to energy to another. Number 12. Bhagavad Gita is spoken in rhyming meter called Anustup and it contains 32 syllables in each verse. Number 13. At first, Krishna tried to narrate the Bhagavad Gita to Duryodhana, but Duryodhana told Krishna that there is some internal force within him which does not allow his mind to choose what is right. Number 14. In Gita, Krishna advises Arjuna to annihilate the doubt arising out of the ignorance through the sword of Gyan. Krishna asks Arjuna to keep faith because a single doubt is enough to keep you off the spiritual path. Number 15. Mahatma Gandhi once said, when doubts haunt me, when disappointments stare me in the face and I see not one ray of hope in the horizon, I turn to Bhagavad Gita and find a verse to comfort me, and I immediately begin to smile in the midst of overwhelming sorrow. Number 16. Henry David Thoreau once said, in the morning I bathe my intellect in the stupendous and cosmogonal philosophy of the Bhagavad Gita, in comparison with which our modern world and its literature seem puny and trivial. Number 17. Gita teaches the Supreme Being is always with you. Mere acceptance of this sublime truth can transform the life of a person. Number 18. There are over 40 different kinds of Gita. However, the Bhagavad Gita is given the highest value because it is narrated by Lord Krishna himself. Number 19. Lord Krishna narrated the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna more than 5000 years ago in 3137 BC. Number 20. Even though composed and narrated in ancient times, Gita is still applicable in recent times. Gita talks about contemporary issues and provides us with solutions for our everyday problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then like it, share it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get such types of videos of amazing facts. Take care and see you in the next video.